In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up international shipping on Shopify. This is a great way to expand your business and start selling to customers around the world. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Next, select Shipping and Delivery. Inside the shipping section, click Create New Profile if you want separate shipping settings for international orders. Now click Add Shipping Zone. Give your shipping zone a name such as International Shipping or Worldwide Shipping. After that, select the countries or regions you want to ship to. Once you've chosen the countries, click Done. Next, click Add Rate. Here you can choose between setting a flat shipping rate or using carrier calculated shipping rates. If you choose a flat rate, enter a name like Standard International Shipping and then add the shipping price. You can also create multiple rates such as Standard Shipping and Express Shipping. After entering the details, click Done. Finally, click Save to apply all your shipping settings. Now your Shopify store is ready to accept international orders from the countries you selected. That's it. You've successfully set up international shipping on Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling.